I watched my friend na lokohin, gaguhin, and bastusin ng ex niya. And after several months of her ranting to me, calling me in the middle of the night and telling me na wala na talaga, they decided to get back together. Sa totoo lang, I respect my friend's decision kasi buhay niya yun eh. But at the same time, alam niyo yun. And masasabi ko lang dun is that I will never judge a person's decision, especially when it comes to love. Pero yung hiling ko lang is that sana panindigan nyo. Hindi yung kapag niloko na naman kayo, ginagawa na naman kayo, tatakbo kayo sa mga kaibigan nyo. And sometimes it's just unfair because alam nyo meron kayong tatakbuhan eh. Alam nyo hindi namin kayo iiwan and alam nyo mahal namin kayo bilang kaibigan. But if you also love us back, please, hiling ko lang, is that please don't put us through that hell once again. And sana, yung sinasabi nyong last chance na ibibigay nyo sa kanila, sana this time, totoo na talaga yun. Kasi kung nasaktan kayo, hindi lang naman kayo masasaktan eh. Damay din kami dun.